Pure natural wood made. Each spoon is nice finished, every bit is polished after production. The smooth edges and sanded surface ensure a quality product for your kitchen's use. Made of lightweight, yet durable schima superb wood, last long time even everyday used. Non-abrasive, the soft, rounded wood won't scratch up your delicate or non-stick pans, but the edge is still firm enough to scrape up any sucs from the bottom. Non-conductive, even if the bowl of the spoon is in a hot pot of stew, the handle will still feel cool to the touch. That means you won't burn your hand while cooking. Bridal shower and wooden spoon puppets. Blank wood spoons are able to make decorative as a gift for any occasions, like bridal shower, parties, activities. Also good for kids' crafts or children craft projects, and the wood burning. Long handle, 12-inch length, 1.57-inch width. Good for mixing, stirring, cooking, sautéing, serving, and taste testing. Package contents: set 12 spoons. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and store. A wooden spoon is a must-have in the kitchen. You will pick up your wooden spoon almost every time you cook, whether you're sautéing onions or stirring up a pot of mushroom chili. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy duty. I just love these spoons. I wanted something that I didn't have to worry about melting when I was candy making. I found it with these. They feel good in the hand, not flimsy. The length is just right for small and larger pots. I pre-soaked mine in oil and they seem to not stain so far. With the amount you get in the pack, 12, you always have one ready to use.